wọ́n ti fọ́ ara wọn ṣera wọn o, wọ́n ti fi ọwọ́ ara wọn ṣera wọn. Ọmọ Yorùbá àníṣe wọ́n ti fi ọwọ́ ara wọn wọ́n ti fi ṣera wọn. Fún ara wọn ni wọ́n máa fún ara wọn lóògùn jẹ́. Àwọn ta ni? Àwọn Netherlands ni o. Àwọn Fúlàní àwọn ni wọ́n fi ọwọ́ ara wọn fúnra wọn lóògùn jẹ́. Mo ní ohun kan tí mo fẹ́ play fún wa ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, mo fẹ́ kí ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ ohun yẹn. àìfàìmọ̀ kí àwọn pípù yìí kí wọ́n fi imú gbòòrùn ìjọba mọ́ nínú Nàìjíríà. So after bàbá Tinubu olódòdó iṣẹ́ àìfàìmọ̀ torí wípé àwádìí sọ fún wípé Nàìjíríà ṣe kò lè work. Nàìjíríà ò lè work torí kí ni kò lè work láéláé. Torí àwọn pípù yìí gbogbo nǹkan táwọn ìjọba Yorùbá àbí àwọn ọmọ Yíbò tí wọ́n bá ní ọlọ́kàn gbà wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe, àwọn Fúlàní yìí wọn ò ní èrò gidi lọ́kàn ní tiwọn. Èrò kí wọ́n mọ̀ jẹ́ gàba iná ló wà lọ́kàn wọn. Òun ló dífá fún ohun tí wọ́n fẹ́ play fún wa yìí. Ohun tí wọ́n fẹ́ play fún wa yìí gbọ́ wíníwíní nínú ohun náà. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò mí, àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò mí, gbọ́ wíníwíní nínú ohun tí wọ́n fẹ́ play fún wa yìí. Ibi tẹ́ ti mọ̀ pé àwọn pípù yìí agbára kan ò lè tọ́ sí wọn mọ́. Tí agbára bá ti tọ́ sí wọn mọ́, àwọn gan fúnra ni wọ́n sọ wípé kí Nàìjíríà ò pín. Àwọn gan fúnra wọn ni wọ́n pa ó síta gbéṣẹ́ ó tó gẹ́, àwọn fẹ́ kí Nàìjíríà ò pín. Orí nǹkan táwa sì wà nìyẹn. Kí Nàìjíríà ò pín náà ni ó pe ọmọ Yorùbá, òun ni ó pe àwọn ẹ̀yà míì. Tí a bá ti wà níwà Nàìjíríà pẹ̀lú ẹ̀yà àwọn Fúlàní, Nàìjíríà ò lè rọgbọ láéláé. Ẹgbẹ́ abẹ́ dáhùn, Nàìjíríà kò lè rọgbọ láéláé. Ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ bá mi pín fídíò ìkó lọ dáadáa, ẹ bá mi pín kókó fara dáadáa. Gbogbo ẹni tẹ́ ń wò mí, tẹ́ ń gbọ́ mi, mo fẹ́ kí àjọ farabalẹ̀ kájọ gbọ́ ohun tó fẹ́ pè síta fún wa yìí. Ohun tó fẹ́ pè síta fún wa yìí ó sọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀. Ẹgbẹ́ abẹ́ dáhùn, ó sọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀. Ìwà fẹ́ fi etí àmì nìkan gbọ́. Mo fẹ́ kí n play fáwọn èèyàn mi, ẹ̀yin fáàsì mi, gbogbo àwọn ọmọ kóòtù òjíire nílé lóko lájò, kí àjọ fetí gbọ́rọ̀ yìí káwá gbọ́ ohun tó ń lọ àti tí ó padà ṣẹlẹ̀. Ọmọ Yorùbá, òkú ní súwa kò ní rẹwà. Àníṣe àwa á mọ mú nǹkan tí ó mọ bà àwọn Fúlàní nínú jẹ́, á mọ mú wá jáde fún yín, á mọ mú wá síta fẹ́yìn èèyàn wa, á mọ ibi tá a yín gbọ́. Wọ́n bá wọn ní gbọ́, àwa gan ò ní gbà. Tó mọ́ tó bá wọn ní gbọ́, aláwa gan a ò ní gbà. A ní gbà lẹ sọ fún ọ yẹn. Wọ́n ìṣẹ̀bẹ̀ wọn ò tí ì ní kankan o. Ẹ wọn bá wa ká lọ. Ó yá.
They are brothers to Ribadu, brothers to Akiku, brothers to Elifai, brothers to Kwankwaso, that is bandits and terrorists. They are brothers to local politicians. In the southwest, Sunday Egbere, he is brothers to Tinubu, Fashola, and Co. Sunday Egbere. In the southeast, Nnamdi Kanu, it is complicated, but whether you like it or not, he is brothers to Southeast politicians. He is their brother. That is in your one Nigeria. And these people have different agenda.
Ẹgbẹ́ òun ẹ̀wù tí mo play fún àyè ẹgbẹ́ dáadáa. Nígbà tó sàlàyé àwọn nǹkan tó fẹ́ sàlàyé tán, in one Nigeria. That is on one Nigeria. Nana ní ìṣe dáadáa bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Nana ẹ̀sẹ̀ gbà ní Kwankwaso Ìbádù ara àwọn Northern ni family àwọn Boko Haram ni wọ́n. Bàbá wa Ìgbòho ṣà ọmọ Adéníyì ọmọ Adéyẹmọ jẹ́kọ́mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọmọ Yorùbá àtàtà ni wọ́n ń jà fẹ́tọ̀ ọmọ Yorùbá ni. Bàbá Tinubu ọmọ Yorùbá ni àti bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Sanwó-Olú ọmọ Yorùbá ni àti bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ẹgbẹ́ láti sí ọmọkùnrin tí ń ṣe ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ láti tí ń ṣe yìí ní tẹ́sí mọ̀ pé ayé àwọn Fúlàní ti bàjẹ́. Ayé àwọn Fúlàní àwọn Northern ayé wọn ti bàjẹ́ pátápátá lẹ́yìn wọn pílẹ̀ lọ.
And you are saying that Nigeria can work with this kind of system that we have, this structure. You are saying that Nigeria can work. There's a video I saw in the north now. They are protesting. Everybody is crazy over Iran. Like they are protesting. I heard there was a protest in Lagos State around Maryland. A protest. They are protesting the killing of Khamenei, the Islamic leader of Iran. In northern Nigeria, Kaduna, Kano, Zaria, they are protesting, and that is their problem. They are killing you, they are kidnapping you, out of school children.
Ẹ̀yin náà gbọ́ àwọn Iran àtàwọn Israel àtàwọn Amẹ́ríkà ń jà kí ló kan Nàìjíríà? Ibi tẹ́tí mọ̀ pé àwọn Fúlàní àwọn Northern láti oyè wọn ti gbálẹ̀ nìyẹn, làákàyè wọn ò ṣiṣẹ́ nìyẹn. Wọ́n ń jàwọ̀ èèyàn gbé Nàìjíríà, wọ́n ń pàmò èèyàn Nàìjíríà, wọn ò dìde kó protest o kó bẹ́ẹ̀ wù hàn lórí bó ti ń pa wá Nàìjíríà o. Wọ́n ń pàmò èèyàn ní north, wọ́n ń pàmò èèyàn anywhere ní Nàìjíríà, wọn ò dìde o kí wọ́n tó bá àwọn protest o, àwọn bẹ́ẹ̀ wù hàn o lórí bó ti ń pa wá o, wọn ò ṣe yẹn o. Wọ́n wá lè jà pa president Iran, wọ́n wá protest Nàìjíríà. Ṣé ẹ ti rí ó lágbára ẹlẹ́wọ̀n ni wọ́n gbọ́ lọ.
Is down, no infrastructure, no road, no education. These people are not protesting because of these indices, but because America killed a leader of a Persian and a Igbo. That is somebody who does not even see, you know, these Arabs and these Persians, they don't see you, black skin colored human being, as equals. But you, your own priority in Northern Nigeria is to protest against the killing, as if you have anything you can do about it. I saw a cleric that is warning, and we are warning. Tinubu should do something about the killing. These are their leaders in Northern Nigeria. A cleric came out, they gather them, they give a mic, you open the mic, you open the mouth, they vomit rubbish. So let Tinubu do something about the killing of Iran leader. See, I'm asking, how can we share the same country?
Àwọn pípù yìí orí wọn ti gbálẹ̀ gan ni o, làákàyè wọn ti lọ, Elédùmarè gbọ́, làákàyè wọn ti lọ. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ parí kẹ́ríkì ní Northern wọ́n ń pàwọ̀ èèyàn, wọ́n ń jáwọ̀ èèyàn gbé, sọ̀rọ̀, pariwo bá Tinubu síta, wọ́n á pa èèyàn ní Iran, wá ń pariwo bá Tinubu kó bọ́ta, sọ̀pọ̀ ló máa pa ogbó yín dànù ni. Àníṣe kò yẹ kí a jọ gbé ìlú kan náà pẹ̀lú àwọn ẹranko iṣẹ́. Àwọn ẹranko làwọn pípù yìí, wọn ò ṣe èèyàn, ẹranko gidi ni wọ́n. Ẹ̀dí ìrẹ̀kan ò fún ara yín lẹ́ẹ̀fù ara yín lè wọ jẹ, fún ara yín lẹ́ẹ̀fọ́ ara yín ṣe ra yín ṣẹ́. Ẹ continue wọ́n lè fẹ́ dẹ̀ ìdánwò yẹn, ẹ continue.
With these people, even Yoruba Muslims, you can see that those ones now they practice peaceful Islam wey get sense. But you see those ones in Northern Nigeria, they are another case entirely. And like the same people we go say it is the lot of south, it is the lot of north. They now bring all these rubbish elements because this is their ideology. I told you that both Fulani wey dey for bush, bandits and Boko Haram wey dey for bush, and the one wey for Aso na the same thing, the same ideology. You saw the video whereby the NSA, National Security Advisor, is saying that these guys are our brothers. So of them want peace. People that are killing, destroying, ravaging villages, rendered many homeless. National Security Advisor will come and tell us that these guys are our brothers. So they are the same, one and the same. So in the same Nigeria, when South.
National Security Advisor ẹ̀tọ́ jẹ́ ọmọ Fúlàní ìdúsọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀yìn wọn lọ́wọ́ o gbé brothers àwọn ni àwọn tí ń pa àwọn èèyàn yẹn o kò lè condemn ẹ̀ kò lè sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn gbogbo tó ń ṣe ọ̀dà.
Arrange themselves finish. Because in southern Nigeria, if there's a debate, the debate is about what have you done as governor? What is your track record? What is your past? That's the debate you have in southern Nigeria. Go to north, the debate is how many religious people you can pack. What sentiment do you belong to? What movement do you belong to? That is what is prevalent in northern Nigeria, not the capacity of the person. What the person can do. So I've said it in my first post that Buhari will be Fulani's last president in Nigeria. Because Tinubu is building a mighty political empire. And they must scrutinize you as a northerner if you are going to belong to that empire. You know, say people look at what this young man is saying as it is not possible now. Tinubu is Tinubu. You know, some people in Nigeria say, who is he? He will shock you. What do Tinubu they do underground? Even after he is not president, that is, if it's possible, because that man, he looks like somebody that will do torture. Even after he is not president, his influence, where you don't put your hand, where you don't put your leg, it will get difficult for you to remove his leg. Inside where he don't fit himself for Nigeria, he don't connect himself, he don't permeate himself, he don't mix himself for Nigeria. Even though he lives as president, he still have influence. In Lagos, he did something in Lagos, and even in Southwest. When he won the presidency, when INEC announced him as president, they say you didn't say Lagos na federal level, blah blah blah. Lagos, it took him how many years to even do what he did in Lagos? But in the federal level, within 2 years, he don't colonize everybody. People were shocked. Some people didn't even realize that the guy don't colonize until when everybody, almost all the governors they become. In the southeast, one Mba and Co, they decamp. In the north, we have more. In the north, we just have two opposition in northern Nigeria. I think two opposition. In the south, we have like 3 opposition. Or thereabout. I stand to be corrected. Almost all north don't decamp. The people that are making out. Do you think that you don't know what to is? So any Fulani, this is their mentality. We cannot afford to elect these people as leaders in Nigeria with this their mentality. Because I don't know. Some of them should understand what I'm saying. If you're not gonna, you should understand what I'm saying. You have priorities, you have problems that you're facing. You leave it, and it's a religious matter you carry for head. How has the religion benefited you in the north? How has the religion cured poverty? Most of these places in Northern Nigeria don't have water, and they have people that are representatives that are collecting billions of naira. Here they cannot provide water. They're not concerned about these politicians that are stealing their money, that are not providing the basic amenities. They're not going to protest. They are protesting the killing of a leader far away, thousands of kilometers away from their region. And the funny thing is that as if they can do anything, what will you do? You are just wasting your time protesting. How yes, you are, because insecurity, Northern Nigeria and insecurity, they don't mix together. Northern Nigeria and insecurity, Northern Nigeria and banditry, Northern Nigeria and religious extremism, Northern Nigeria and jihad, they don't mix them together. They are working hand in hand. This video you watch here, you see here, students doing the terrorist sign in Nigeria, marching on the flags of Israel and US. Students, these are baby terrorists. We are here, Northern Nigeria. Instead of them to be producing engineers, producing scientists, producing people that will better the lots of Nigerians tomorrow, they are producing extremists and terrorists, Islamic jihadists. They are producing people that tomorrow will start killing. They turn to bandits. That's what Northern Nigeria is producing. And we are in the same country, and you expect us, at the end of the day, maybe Tinubu comes and does something, try to gather, they will come and scatter everything. They will come and scatter. Now, look at Jonathan and look at Buhari. We know that it is politics that people played or tried to bring in Buhari. We are very sure that people never believed in the capacity of Buhari to rule. People understood the law. How they have been able to hold Nigeria to ransom. That is why he was pushing Buhari. The pushing. Buhari is our general. That was why they happy. You know, say Tinubu had a plan to take over the reins of power. If Tinubu were loyal to Buhari, look at his boys now. Look at what Tinubu is doing to Buhari's boys. I tell you, even Buhari said, if they get where we reach, if Buhari do anyhow, Tinubu will question him. He told Buhari, if we have any questions, we come and knock at your door. He told Buhari when he was alive. So we know, look at Jonathan, Buhari come, it took us 20 years backward. Use our oil in larger data in the south. Use our borrow money, the boys they embezzle them up and down. So when the North start behaving the way they are behaving, at the end of the day, we can't support them when they call rulers. We can't support them when they call rulers. No, it's impossible. Things have to change. That's why we are advocating for the unity of Southern Nigeria. We know that politics has not been fair to Igbo people in Nigeria. Has not been fair to many tribes. Politics are not only Igbo people, many tribes in Nigeria. We need to get things right.
Right. Yes.
If you think Nigeria can work the way it is, because I saw people deceiving themselves. You have been going to church, pray for Nigeria till tomorrow. Now you don't get light. Now things are not working. It is the system that has not been structured. Sometimes you have no option but to bring in Northerners that have nothing to offer because of quota system, because of federal system. Yes, it is mandated that you must pick a minister from each state. Abi, from each state, whether they are capable or not, whether they are just like a football team. A coach does not have the absolute power to pick players, but because of some interests, whether the person brings in a player that cannot play, you just have to accept the player. That's how Nigeria is. We are not bringing our best. Southerners are bringing in capable, competent people. I have said before that you cannot compare a Southerner with a Northerner. I stand to be corrected anywhere. We have Northerners that are educated. We have Northerners that are geniuses. But when you look at range, when you look at capacity at a long range, if Northern Nigeria bring out 20 engineers, Southern Nigeria will bring out 50 to 60 engineers, exactly. Or even 100. Southern Nigeria. Yes, the reason why Ahmad Bello did not agree to Nigeria coming together is because he believes that the Southerners are far ahead of the Northerners even till today. In a Nigeria whereby everybody will contest for capacity and ability, who be Buhari where Osibajo did? I've said it before. In what level you join army? You join army, from army, then you have played out like politician, you have been in place since how many years? You become head of state. Head of state, you don't become army, you don't become head of state. You are campaigning with Buhari, you're not campaigning with what Buhari has done in the past. Tinubu was using this time to campaign with Buhari. He was not telling us what Buhari has done as head of state. Now, for head of state, Osibajo, look at his track record. In a fair contest, like people, Buhari come, Osibajo come, level ground. You think that Buhari can stand where Osibajo is standing? It's because of all these religious, because he's a religious man, because he belongs, he's a Fulani, blah blah blah. That's why Nigeria is not moving forward. We need to structure this country. People that have something to offer, something actually to do, should be elected into positions of power. If not, there's nothing. Now look at Tinubu's government. Look at the Southeast today. Look at what the Southeast governments are doing. Because of the pressure, he's trying to perform this one in his infrastructure, in policy, in different ideas. Look at what the South is moving towards, although we are not perfect. But tomorrow you come, somebody who is busy building terrorists in his region. While we are in the South, we are trying to look for ways to develop our region. Somebody is busy raising terrorists. That terrorist, by mistake, they will bring terrorists. In Southerner, they will bring their own leader. Then that terrorist will not come and tell me that he should be above the Southerner. Do you think these people are okay?
They are okay.
Let them continue do what they are doing. Reality will dawn on them very soon. Reality will dawn on them very soon.
Yes.
I stand to be corrected. I repeat my statement. Buhari will be the last Fulani popular leader coming from Northern Nigeria.
Yes.
Any leader that's coming from the north will go through they will scrutinize him. They will remove those terrorism tendencies from their mind for it to be accepted by the Nigerian people. Because it is Southern Nigeria that is even calling the shots now. Southern Nigeria, united with Middle Belt, they are the ones that will call the shots. You know that North cannot survive without political power. Yeah, not survive. So they will be so desperate. Anything they see, they will collect. North cannot survive without political power. They will be so desperate. Anything they see, they will collect. Now, when you reach 2031, because no show for North Nigeria in 2027, no show. Anybody that want to follow the Southerners contest 2027, you are just wasting your time. No show for Northerners come 2027. It is in 2031 that will that coconut head, that strong head this will have. I want to see how they deploy it in 2031. I want to see. Since bandits, terrorists are your brothers in Northern Nigeria, let you have your bandit government. Yes. A bandit cannot become president in Nigeria. A bandit sympathizer cannot become president in Nigeria. I'm telling you, I'm repeating, a bandit sympathizer cannot become president of Nigeria. We reject it. Never. We can never support anybody who is supporting bandits. Never. We know that these politicians, they are liars, they are manipulators. Never. If they support bandits, they will come and say, it is not what I said. Who told you I'm supporting? Their actions. I have told you before that these politicians don't follow their mouth, follow what they do. Look at their body language. That is the only truth you can get from a politician is what he does and his body language and his interest. So tomorrow now we are looking for president. You now search through Northern Nigeria that are busy recruiting young people into terrorism. I told you that even the way they go to school, are the same thing. They're the same thing. Most of their leaders have been affiliated with extremist activities. And extremists cannot lead Nigeria because they have nothing to offer. Yes. I tell you, they have
exactly. They have nothing to offer us.
Nothing to offer. They have to be scrutinized. Look at Nnamdi Kanu, look at Sunday, look at bandits, terrorists and Fulani residents. Look at, compare them. Nnamdi Kanu is fighting because of the injustice he meted up against his people. Nnamdi Kanu, because of the injustice. Everyone understands that. The reason why you see violence and it went overboard is because of the Nigerian government led by Fulani decided to take two laws into their hands because they are in power. They just killed over 100 persons that were just protesting. Just massacred them and wasted their lives. And people, they are resident people, because you think we cannot defend ourselves, we are just coming in the civil way. That's why you have the opportunity to just build out your guns and start shooting at anybody. You have to look for a way to arm and defend themselves. That's why you see the armed struggle in the southeast. It's the Fulani government of Buhari that caused it. That makes the IPOB and whatever that we are in this position that we are in. The majority is these guys are fighting to liberate themselves from Nigeria, a construct that will never bring development to the indigenous people. Now, when you look at it from the other end, Sunday is fighting for the liberation of the nation. The Fulani have dealt a serious blow on the other people, even till now. And Sunday is fighting. We have the capacity to stay alone. We don't be part of this union. What is bad in that? What is criminal in that? Even though this constitution does not allow you to have a referendum or whatever have you, what is criminal in that? People will understand, reasonable people will understand that, okay, these are what people are fighting for. They don't be part of Nigeria against the interest of colonialists, however it is. Because anybody that fights for a just cause to divide Nigeria, they are offending some people that are benefiting from the union of the United Nigeria, the fake unity of Nigeria. So those people will fight back. Now look at the bandits that are brothers to the Babu, Atiku, so what is their aim? Or what is their aim? The Ijoba are a people, a elite people in Nigeria, they understand themselves not out of the country. The Igbos, Biafrans understand themselves not out of the country. Now, what is what are the ISWAP, Boko Haram, what are they fighting for? What are they fighting for? It will tell you. And when is Boko Haram and ISWAP produce leaders for you that disguise themselves as nationalists? They now drag the country back and start imposing themselves.
Yes, now.
All these things that Tinubu is doing, these governors have done it times 10. Now they introduce them into the system. This my brother is here. What Buhari was doing when he was doing, Kapako his brothers, mostly from Katsina, Fulani everywhere. These brothers, what were they saying? They just shut up. It was the ones that were even complaining. Yes. Criticizing the government of Buhari. Anywhere you go, Buhari in Igbo land. Tinubu is doing the same thing. The same brothers are complaining. You can see the hypocrisy. You start something, somebody give you in the same measure, you are saying Tinubu is the one-time president. Well, by 2027, when Tinubu win that election, you always cry foul. Not that we do not want you. Nothing like that should do anything called power. They should forget, say, they should not even waste their time until they revamp, they organize themselves. And before they even reorganize themselves, Southern Nigeria will have got to a level whereby Nigeria will be structured and will stay on our regions. Yes. Because there's no how you can stay with people that have such mentality. You can share the same, there's no how. You are preparing your children to be terrorists and preparing my children to be doctors and engineers, and our children come together because of Nigeria will force everybody together. Come together. I want your children to lead my children. God forbid. God forbid. In your schools, you are pushing religious extremism. You are pushing yourself to hate every other Nigerian. I want to get to Abuja. You want us to come together and you produce a leader. No, God forbid. It's not possible. It is not possible. I hope Tinubu understand what he's doing. He knows that these guys, they are meant for destruction. Eh? They are prepared for destruction. They want Nigeria to be turned to Afghanistan.
Yes, no, that's what they want.
Yes. Look at Nigeria, look at the region.
That's what they want.
Look how it is. Yes, they're still that running themselves in that extremism.
All of them. What would same them?
But what you do from now to tomorrow, whether you match Israeli flag, whether you match China flag, there's nothing you can do. There's nothing Tinubu can do. Nothing Tinubu can do to stop. Tinubu, make it even try to challenge US. Nothing Nigeria. What do you have? What do you have? You dey say na no that challenge us now. What do you have? What do you have in Northern Nigeria? Just empty chest beating, making out. Focus on what is priority. Focus on how people are lagging behind. Area of education, infrastructure, social construct. People cannot protest in your region against your government. They are protesting against the federal government because of an Islamic leader. Look how they have conditioned these guys. They have put you people in one box. They are not the reason what they do. They're not the reason, like, let me not say mad people. Look at young people that needs to do something better with their lives. Nigeria is backward. We need to go back to the drawing board. Revamp our education. Revamp our industries. Sponsor the best of the best. Scientists. Yes. We are not doing anything with our resources self. Now we go to help us to cultivate our resources. We are not championing, or we are not in charge of any technology to even harvest our resources. Now we go to technology to harvest our resources. And these members are not worried about that. We are talking about one thing. Well, I have said it before, whether they like it or not, this is something about that power. And I think we did there. You should wait. It will clear for their eyes very soon.
Yes, now it will clear for your eye, for their eye very soon. I like that statement, my bro. Bro, I like that statement. Mo ti rí nǹkan kan ṣe. Wọ́n ní ṣe wọ́n ti rí nǹkan kan. Fún ara wọn ni wọ́n fi ọwọ́ ara wọn ṣera wọn. Wọ́n ì ti fi ṣera wọn. Mo ti mọ̀ kan. ṣé ti gbọ́ ohun tí mo ní kí n mú wá fún ẹ̀yin wa nìyẹn pé kí a jọ gbọ́. Mo lérò pé ẹ gbọ́ dáadáa ohun tẹ́ bá rí nínú ẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká rí lábẹ́ comment. Ṣé ti gbọ́ ẹ ṣé gan ni mo kí gbogbo wa o a kú ìwòdìyàn tó ń lọ nílẹ̀ Nàìjíríà kò kú ní sú wa kò ní rẹ̀ wá àwa aláàbòye wọn láti Èdùmàrè. Mo ti gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi tí gbogbo ìgbà tí wọ́n bá ti drop fídíò ẹ̀ wọ́n bá mi ká lọ mo kí yín o wọ́n wá gbàládùn fún yín pé ojú tẹ̀ fún ojú náà ní fọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni títẹ̀ fi ń gbọ́ mi tí náà ní di ọwọ́ tẹ̀lé bá mi pé ètò yìí tí fi ń lọ dáadáa ẹ̀rín fọ́ náà gbọ́mọ sí o èmi ní mọ̀ wá bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni ẹ̀yin náà ní mọ̀ dé bá iná ní tọ́wọ́ yín o ibi tẹ́ ẹ̀ ti ń rí owó tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń ná tẹ́ ẹ̀ fi ń ra dátà tẹ́ ẹ̀ fi ń wò wá ibò ní dí o torí pé àbòdí tó lókun àbòdí tó lọ́sà àpòsásàmù wá kì í gbẹ àpòyò ní gbẹ sówó láti Èdùmàrè ó kọ́ tẹ̀mí padà ìbíyẹmẹ láìtàn tí wọ́n mọ̀ sí ìbíyẹmẹ TV show lókè ògo wa ó dàbọ̀.